Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we are discovering a hybrid watch that could well disrupt the smartwatch market, the Withings ScanWatch 2. This watch, designed by the French brand Withings, promises to combine timeless elegance and cutting-edge technology for health tracking. Unlike the classic model with a dominant screen, the ScanWatch 2 stands out with its analog dial, high-quality materials, and a design intended to adapt to both office and sports activities. If you are looking for a watch that takes care of you without looking like a gadget, you are in the right place. And to learn even more, don't forget that the links are available in the description. Let's dive into this unique model. With the ScanWatch 2, Withings relies on proven expertise to offer a watch that is both elegant and functional. The stainless steel case reflects a meticulous finish, subtly brushed on the sides and shiny at the bezel. The sapphire glass protection adds impressive durability, preventing micro scratches and providing perfect clarity. The watch is available in two sizes: a discreet 38mm model, ideal for slender wrists, and a 42mm version that stands out with a more pronounced presence and slightly thicker hands. Its design is decidedly timeless, with black or white dial options that suit all styles. The default silicone straps are flexible and comfortable, but if you're looking for a more personal touch, compatibility with standard 20mm straps allows you to choose leather, metal, or any other material according to your preferences. One of the most distinctive features of this watch is its monochrome OLED display, discreetly integrated into the upper part of the dial. This screen is designed to display essential data such as your notifications or health measurements, while perfectly blending into the analog aesthetic. The quick look function, which activates the screen with a simple wrist movement, adds a touch of modernity while preserving a classic design. Unlike some smartwatches, the ScanWatch 2 does not include an always-on feature, which helps maintain visual simplicity and better battery life. The ScanWatch 2 stands out with its health-focused features. It includes an impressive range of advanced sensors, including an electrocardiogram capable of detecting potential atrial fibrillation, an SpO2 sensor that measures blood oxygenation, and a ThermTech module that continuously monitors body temperature variations. This data allows for monitoring vital signs and detecting anomalies, whether they are respiratory disorders, hormonal cycles, or even the early symptoms of an illness. The watch connects to the HealthMate app, which centralizes all this information in a clear and intuitive manner. This app, available on iOS and Android, also offers the ability to generate detailed reports that you can download in CSV format to share with a healthcare professional. However, some features are still missing, such as built-in GPS or an NFC chip for contactless payment. The watch is therefore more focused on health tracking than on sports activities or interactive uses. Nevertheless, it offers accurate sleep tracking, heart rate analysis, and discrete notifications to alert you in case of anomalies. User experience is designed to be simple and intuitive. Navigation through the menus is done exclusively via the rotating crown located on the right side of the watch. This precise and pleasant mechanism allows you to navigate between the different features without resorting to a touchscreen. The display is clear, bright, and readable in all circumstances, whether indoors or in bright sunlight. This minimalist approach is ideal for those looking for a smartwatch without the distractions of an omnipresent screen. In terms of battery life, Withings claims up to 30 days of use, but real tests show an average duration of about 26 days, which is still exceptional for a smartwatch. This performance is partly due to the absence of an always-on display and the optimization of the sensors. The complete battery charge takes about 90 minutes thanks to a redesigned charger, providing a more secure attachment. However, the watch has some limitations in daily use. For example, it does not automatically detect workout sessions, requiring the user to manually start activity tracking. Furthermore, sleep tracking lacks accuracy, merging deep and paradoxical stages instead of distinguishing them. The ScanWatch 2 positions itself in a specific segment, that of elegant hybrid watches focused on health. Compared to models like the Apple Watch SE or the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, it stands out for its timeless design, premium construction, and exceptional battery life. It targets an audience that prioritizes aesthetics and simplicity over interactive or sporty features. If you are a fan of ultra-connected gadgets, this watch may frustrate you, but if you are looking for a sleek and efficient alternative for precise health tracking, it will surely appeal to you. The Withings ScanWatch 2 is a hybrid watch that successfully combines elegant design with advanced health technologies. Its strengths lie in the quality of its construction, impressive battery life, and cutting-edge sensors. It offers comprehensive tracking of your vital signs while remaining discreet and easy to wear daily. However, it is not without flaws. The absence of built-in GPS, the limitations in sports tracking, and a relatively high price may deter some buyers. Offered starting at $349, it targets a specific audience looking for a smartwatch that doesn't look like a gadget. If you identify with this description, the ScanWatch 2 could very well be the ideal watch for you. To learn more in detail or to purchase it, visit the description. Every purchase made through the link supports the channel, and I thank you for that. Please comment to share your thoughts, like if the video was helpful, and of course, subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming product discoveries. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Ciao ciao.